Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by setting the foundation. Check your sequence sample rate and confirm the tracks you want are soloed or muted so only intended audio exports. Once done, select the sequence, then open File Export Media or press Ctrl+M. In the Export dialog, choose Format, WAV or AIF for lossless audio, choose Preset, Match Sequence or Custom to set bitrate and channels. This ensures what you send is clean, matches specs, and avoids resampling artifacts before the main export. Now you configure audio specifics so the file meets delivery requirements. Pick WAV or AIF and set codec to PCM at 16 or 24-bit depending on the project. 24-bit preserves headroom. Make sure sample rate matches your sequence, usually 48000 HC, and choose stereo or mono outputs as needed. Use the output name field to pick a clear file name and target folder so collaborators can find it. Once configured, double-check Finish by exporting. Choose Export for immediate render or queue to Adobe Media Encoder for background/batch work. After export, play the file in a reliable audio player to verify channels, levels, and absence of clipping or unexpected silence. If something is wrong, reopen the sequence and check sample rate, bit depth, whether tracks were routed to submixes or muted, and whether the export dialog had any overrides. One quick troubleshooting tip. If audio is missing, confirm track output routing and that no effects are accidentally disabling output.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.